Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot verify server identity on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue that you cannot verify the server identity, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to go back and here you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have that, you have to simply open up your settings, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Go for general, go for the VPN and device management. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Once you have make sure, now what you have to do if you're still having the same issue, so you have to try to log out to your account from your mail app and then re-log in. So open up your settings, then scroll down and look for apps. Look for your mail app here. Once you get the mail app, simply open it. Then select mail accounts. Then select your account if you want to re-log in. In my case, I'm going to select Gmail account. Then simply tap on delete account. Then tap on delete from my iPhone. Once you have that, the account will be deleted from your iPhone and you can easily log in. So you have to try to re-log in your account. And once you have re-logged in or you are still having the same issues, so now what you have to do, you have to open up your settings, scroll down and look for the screen time option, tap on it. Then further scroll down and you will get the option of content and privacy restrictions. Open this, and here you have to make sure that you have disabled this toggle, or if you have enabled, you have to try to disable this toggle. It will disable all the privacies or restrictions from your phone, and once you have that, you have to retry. Or if you are still having the same issues, open up your settings, go for general, scroll down, look for transfer or reset iPhone, select reset all settings, and here you have to simply enter your passcode. Once you have entered your passcode, your phone's all settings will be resetted, so it will not delete your data. So you can easily try this step. Once you have resetted all of your settings, you will not get any this type issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are having an issue that you cannot verify your server identity on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.